Marketing your Shopify store in 2025 isn't just about doing more. Most store owners are stuck. They're stuck in content loops, stuck running ads without strategy, stuck copying outdated tactics that just don't work anymore. But in this video, I'm giving you 5 high leverage strategies that I personally use to run my own 6-figure Shopify store and that are working right now. Now, if you're new here, my name is Antonio and I help Shopify store brands scale. So the first strategy that I want to share with you is that you want to remove friction everywhere. Honestly, this is one of the biggest reasons Shopify stores don't convert. You see, a customer sees your content, clicks your bio, lands on your homepage, scrolls through your collection, picks a product, adds to cart, and then maybe checks out. I'm actually super tired saying all of this, and honestly, it is way too many steps, and every step is a chance to lose a sale. In 2025, top performing brands are completely getting rid of this funnel. They're meeting customers at the moment of interest and making it effortless to buy. The best example of this is TikTok Shop. It takes someone from curiosity to check out in seconds without leaving the app. No redirects, no drop-offs, just scroll, see product, buy. It's literally the most frictionless e-com experience we've had in years. And if you're not building around this kind of speed and simplicity, I guarantee you that you're leaving money on the table. Quick pause here. If you're watching this and you're thinking this all sounds great, but I really wish I had someone that could help me with my Shopify store. Well, you are in luck because that's exactly why I created the Shopify Growth Audit. It's a one-on-one personalized Zoom call with me where I review your Shopify store, show you exactly what you need to fix, and I go over what the next steps that you should focus on with your Shopify store, all step by step. So if you're ready to stop guessing and start growing, I recommend that you click the first link in the description down below. Okay, so let's get back to the video. Strategy number 2 is don't rent attention, own it. I'm here to tell you that going viral is great, but if your growth depends on posting consistently, then you don't own your traffic, you're renting it. And as soon as you stop posting, everything dries up. That's why the smartest brands are doubling down on search-based visibility, specifically Google SEO and YouTube. So here's the difference. Instagram is a scroll platform. Google and YouTube are search platforms. You post on Instagram and more than likely it's gonna die in 48 hours. But if you rank for something that your customers are actively searching for, like best skincare for dry skin, you can get traffic month after month without spending a dime. Brands like CeraVe completely crush this. They create search optimized content about ingredients, skincare tips, and how-tos. It's not trendy, but it is findable. So yes, short form gets you visibility, but long form builds equity, and you need both. Strategy number 3, the money is in the follow-up. Let's say you nailed your content, people are buying, and you're gaining traffic. But here's where most brands mess up. They treat customers like a one-time transaction. You worked hard on that sale and then disappear into the next drop or discount. I'm here to tell you that's not a brand, that's a revolving door. In 2025, winning brands are building relationships between the purchases. Now take McBride's Sisters Wine Company as a model. They are the largest Black-owned wine company in the US, and they have completely mastered customer retention. They send personalized emails with stories, wine tips, and exclusive offers. They also launched the She Can Fund to support women entrepreneurs so their customers feel a part of something bigger. They engage on social media, sharing milestones and reposting real customer moments. This kind of emotional connection keeps people coming back, not just for the product, but for the mission. If you want loyalty, don't just sell. Connect, serve, and follow up. Strategy number 4, use micro-influencers to build trust early. Starting a Shopify store is exciting, but let's be honest, getting your first customers can feel impossible. And no, you don't need to go viral or hire influencers with 1 million followers. What you do need is real people with real influence aka micro influencer. These are creators that have anywhere between 3,000 to 30,000 followers who have built tight-knit and trusted communities. Now, I want you to take a look at 3 Ships Beauty. They started with no outside funding, no big names, just smart partnerships with small skincare creators. They got one small influencer to post a simple before and after video just using their toner. This one simple post generated hundreds of shares, comments, and a really big traffic spike on their website. But more importantly, it really built trust. So don't overlook micro influencers. So I recommend that you reach out to creators who align with your brand, encourage honest and unpolished reviews, repurpose that content on your store and ads. Because sometimes the best growth that you can have for your Shopify store comes from just being more relatable. The 5th strategy that I want to share with you is let others do the selling with UGC. Running ads as a new brand can feel like shouting buy now in a room full of strangers. But UGC, or better known as user-generated content, really changes that. It's like walking to that same room and having a friend say, this is actually really good. You see, the name of the game in 2025 is trust and social proof. And if you want to win, you have to have it. Now, when it comes to creating user-generated content, this could be a TikTok unboxing video, a selfie with your product, a casual review in someone's bedroom. It doesn't need to be perfect or polished, but it does need to be real, and that's what works. Now, once you have this content, here's how you want to use it. You want to test these videos as ads with a small budget, and then the ones that actually get sales and attention, you want to double down on those and stop running the others. You see, UGC isn't just about content, it's about connection. And in today's market, that's what converts. Now, this video is going to help you get more traffic to your Shopify store, but if the traffic is not converting, there's probably a problem with your website. And I recommend that you check out this video right here to show you how to fix that.